Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2022 INFINITI Q60. This one is your Essential Pack. It's the Luxe with Essential Pack. And this one also has the upgraded accessory wheels and a carbon fiber lip spoiler. Absolutely awesome. I'll try not to die on ice. There we go. Alright, so got your Essential Pack, which comes with navigation, voice recognition, Sirius XM, traffic and travel, power tilt and telescopic steering column, premium paint, majestic white over graphite, cargo pack, as tested price $59,860. This of course has the 3-liter V6 twin turbo, 300 horse, 295 pound-feet of torque. Now, this is probably, well, no, and it's not probably, it is one of the last brand new Q60s you can buy. For 2023, the Q60 is gone. As much of a shame as that is, sales just weren't there for the Q60. That doesn't mean this is a bad car, though, because it is a awesome car. Spent a lot of time in them, and I've definitely enjoyed said time. Sunroof. This one, of course, graphite interior. Bose Performance Series audio. Your steering heater. Round view monitor. Let's go for a drive. Yeah, gone for 2022, last model year. We saw some allocations open up from INFINITI saying, hey, do you guys want these? And we bought every single allocation, so we got 15 more than we were expecting for the last ones. And I'm glad we took those allocations because I love these cars. Oh, they filled the potholes. About time. So obviously, want more power, get a Red Sport. These are open for tuning too. I've heard a lot of people tune these base 3 liters. But even so, 300 horse is plenty. Although you drive a Red Sport after this, you definitely feel the difference. Cruising on the highway, super comfortable. Definitely a great grand touring car, a GT car. There we go. Sport mode gives you some rev match downshifts under braking. very confident feeling platform, honestly. And as much as people complain about the 7-speed, over the years we've perfected it and it's become a pretty good transmission. When you're driving on a back road, hard under braking, acceleration, steering, it will hold revs for you. It'll hold gears. And it's like, okay, it takes a second to get out of that mode. It's like, okay, all right, are we done driving fast? And then it goes back into its normal self. I like that a lot. I definitely like that. There we go. Big bump. Oh, I'll miss these cars. I really will. I enjoy so much every time I get to spend time in one. But sales just weren't there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.